Dye tulip bud hair tie. Use it as a cute bag charm, or wear it in your hair. What you need: place fabric right sides together. Fold it in half. Sew a running stitch around the edge. Fold elastic in half. Tuck into the fabric bud. Wrap thread around the base several times. Stitch through the elastic multiple times for a secure hold. Turn the piece right side out. Stuffed with polyfill. Pinch and stitch the center to shape the tulip bud. Attach the bow to finish. Your sweet tulip hair tie is complete, super beginner friendly. Give it a try.